To add another shipping address to your Amazon account. Whether you're sending an order somewhere else or simply want to save a second address, I'll show you exactly how to do it on Amazon using a desktop browser. Let's get started. First, open Amazon and make sure you're signed in. Move your mouse to the top right corner and hover over Account and Lists. From the drop-down menu, click Account to open your account settings. Once your account page loads, look through the available options and find your addresses. Click on it to open your saved address list. Here, you can view the addresses currently connected to your Amazon account. To add another one, click Add Address. A form will appear where you can enter the name, street address, city, state, zip code, and phone number if requested. Enter the information carefully and make sure everything is correct before saving it. Once you've entered all the details, click Add Address or Save Address. Your new address should now appear in your address list. When you place your next order, you can select this address during checkout. And that's it. You've successfully added a new address to your Amazon account. You can save multiple addresses and choose the one you need whenever you place an order. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Amazon guides. Thanks for watching.